Hello, this is your smile dentist, Dr. Vikas Gowd. Today, we're going to talk about various brushing techniques and what are the common mistakes that people make while brushing. There are a lot of people who have a lot of myths about brushing. A lot of people think that, the longer you brush, the harder you brush, your teeth are going to become whiter, the teeth are going to look white, you're able to clean your teeth and your gums more. But for a fact, it is so that, the harder you brush and the longer you brush, you would actually be damaging your teeth enamel. So the topmost layer of your teeth, which is called the tooth enamel, which is the hardest portion of your body, could be damaged just by very hard brushing or brushing for too long. So how many minutes should you brush? Typically, if you brush in the correct proportions with the right pressure and the right technique, covering all your teeth in your mouth, maximum of 5 to 7 minutes should be more than enough. Number two, a lot of patients, when they come to us, they ask us, Doc, what is the right toothbrush to use? Well, actually, there is no right toothbrush or no wrong toothbrush. It depends every person, like how every person's anatomy, like how every person's body or the shape of the teeth and the smile is not the same. You don't have the same kind of brush for everyone. The same kind of brush doesn't suit everyone. So some people may need a brush which is soft bristle so that they're brushing very hard. Some people may need a very small head of a brush or a bendable head of a brush so that they can reach those last corners of your teeth which they are not able to reach because probably they have a small mouth. Number three is brushing at night. A lot of times, a lot of people, we intend to brush and we brush a lot every day in the morning. We never forget to brush in the morning. But the most important time when you need to brush is when you need to brush at night, which you tend to forget or you tend to avoid or you lazy to brush. If you think that you don't brush at night, leave in a comment and tell me what damage has it done to your teeth and your gums and your dental health. So it's important and very imperative to brush at night because all the food that you eat, they get accumulated, and this is a time period when the decay starts. There is a flow chart which we will be able to understand from this. It's the time, it's the bacteria, it's the host. All these put together is when the decay starts. That means the bacteria eat up on your teeth and produce acids. This could eat up your teeth or it could damage your gums, which could be seen as cavities between teeth or on teeth where the food is stuck, or it could be showing as small gum inflammation, infection, bad odor from the mouth, a little bleeding from the gums. These are very common symptoms. Number four, all of us brush our teeth, but we forget to clean our tongue. The tongue has thin, small papillae. On these papillae, food could get stuck and you could have fungal infections, you could have other infections if this is not cleaned. The dead cells on the tongue along with your brush or a tongue cleaner needs to be cleaned regularly, like how you clean your teeth. Number five is flossing. Flossing between your teeth. That means just by normal regular brushing, the food that is stuck between your teeth cannot be cleaned. So a normal thin floss, to floss between your teeth, you would remove 33% of that food accumulated which is stuck, which doesn't go away with brushing. So these are some of the common things. Now I'm going to tell you some very, very important thing that a lot of people miss, and it's probably not noted well in literature. A lot of you, it's not very easy for you to reach the last tooth or your wisdom tooth, and that's one of the common causes why your wisdom tooth could get damaged or decayed. The reason is you tend to keep your mouth open, and when you put your brush inside, there is a bone of your lower jaw called the coronoid process. So this comes in the way for your brush. So when you try to push your brush, there is a bony thing that hurts and you can't move your brush back to the last tooth. The way to brush your last wisdom tooth is to keep your mouth closed. Keep your mouth closed, your brush inside, pull your cheek out while your mouth is closed and then brush there. So these are some very important tips that I've given you, and I hope you would like the important information. If you think this information is been very useful for you, please like, subscribe to our video and share the video. Thank you.